Everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage a FortiSwitch directly from a FortiGate firewall and how to create the VLAN. First I will take CLI access of the FortiSwitch via console cable. So I will type here com3 and 115200 speed. After logging in using the default username and password. The default username and password. If you log in the new switch, you can type admin and again don't type the password, press enter, then you will get the new password option. So now I got the access. So I will run the command get system status. Get system info is not working. Get system, I will see here. I will type get system status. This will show the firmware version of the FortiSwitch. You can see here it is the firmware version of the FortiSwitch is 746, which helps us compatibility with the FortiGate as well as check the system uptime. Next, I will use the command get system interface. Here you can see that the switch has received an IP address via DSCP mode. I will run the command get system ARP. So this command displays all the devices connected to the FortiSwitch. You can see my FortiGate ARP entry listed here, which confirms communication between switch and firewall. Now on the FortiGate GUI, you will notice a request to authorize device message. You can see on manage FortiSwitch. I will. This appears because FortiLink, a dedicated interface used to manage the FortiSwitch, has detected a new switch connected through it. So dedicated to FortiSwitch, it's a FortiLink that is used to manage the FortiSwitch via FortiGate. DSCP is enabled on this FortiLink interface, allowing the FortiSwitch to automatically gets its IP. I will now get system ARP. You can see here the switch. This is my laptop IP. I will now authorize the device, right click on it and authorize, click on authorization, and now initially the status may show as offline. It usually takes a few moments to come online. If it stays offline, you can check the system events in the FortiGate to see the FortiSwitch discovery and authorization logs for troubleshooting. So you can see here the authorize and discard message. So now I will go to the Wi-Fi and switch controller and manage switch. The status is now showing connecting and now it's showing online. Now the FortiSwitch is successfully managed by the FortiGate, and on the FortiLink interface you can see the I'm able to get the ARP. So device is successfully we can manage through the so on the FortiSwitch VLAN option of the GUI of the FortiGate. So now let's configure VLAN on the FortiSwitch. So it's very easily we can configure the VLAN without command line interface. So we GUI is very user friendly and we can make the VLAN. So to create the VLAN, click on create new, then enter the following VLAN name we need to type. You can type as per your requirement. So I will type here LAN new and VLAN ID. So my VLAN ID I will type 100 and IP address and subnet we need to configure, and you can enable the DSCP server if you need. So now I will check the VLAN configuration is I will change the VLAN ID 101 and click OK to save the configuration. So I will now to assign this VLAN on any interface, click on the FortiSwitch ports and click on here and apply rated LAN new and click on apply. So this VLAN has been successfully applied to the port 1. So once the I connected the any systems or any other PoE switches, so this LAN new subnet will, IP will be get to the port 1 connected devices. So you can configure the another VLAN also to the other port 2 port 3 as per your requirement. So on port 1 I will connect one my laptop and I will test the connectivity and I will show you lively is this working or not. So uh, port I have connected the my laptop to the port 1. So now port 1 is showing red. So I will change the my LAN cable and I will try again and I will refresh the FortiGate GUI and I will check this. So this will take the some time to get the port up. So I will try to refresh the page again and again, but it's still showing down. So it will take some time. So I will log in the console access of the FortiSwitch, or you can get the console access of the FortiSwitch from FortiGate also. So it takes some time, so we will wait to 10 to 20 seconds on FortiSwitch 4. I will refresh. I will, you can see here, this is the FortiSwitch login, FortiSwitch console access. So I will log in it and I will try to is this I am getting the MAC request of the my laptop or port 1 I am not linking or not. So you can see here, here is port 1 internal. I am not able to get, only I am getting the MAC of the internal one, means of the 40 gate device. So it will take some time to get the MAC of the new device. So I will type here get system ARP on the FortiGate GUI and successfully VLAN configuration successfully work. You can see here LAN new and 192.163.2 IP I got to the my system. So I will refresh this FortiSwitch ports and on live screen you can see port 1 is showing green now, means it's up. So our VLAN configuration is successfully done, sorry. So this is the basic and very useful configuration. So that's how easily you can manage and configure FortiSwitch from FortiGate. It's simple and powerful way to integrate your network. Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Fortinet configuration videos. So